Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G9 Play and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the display section. Here click to advanced and tap to wallpaper. Here you got the live photos and wallpaper sections. Just select one from them. Here we got my photos folder with the photos from our device gallery previously taken on the device camera or downloaded from the internet, and also we got here just the wallpapers, the defaults. I have no any photos here unfortunately, so let's just take a picture maybe on our camera app. So okay, and let's just now try to take a picture. So after that, let's just go back to the settings. So let's just tap to my photos, to camera, select one from the photos. Here we could see the preview on the local home screen. Then just tap on the right down corner to OK and click to lock screen. Wait a second, we could see that the wallpaper is set successfully. Let's check, and as you could see, that's so simple. And also we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap the wallpapers icon and just select one from the wallpapers. By the same way, click on the right down corner, tap to home, not to the home, to the lock screen. Let's do it once again. Wallpaper, OK, and lock screen. Wallpaper set successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.